Okay, here we go. It's Friday, October 10th, 12:50. Big smackdown day. The day started off wonderfully. I think we're up like 10 points or 15. We'll see. Let's take a look. We were up 40. We were up 20 points this morning. I think it was a gap up even. And then all hell broke loose. And we've had one of the biggest days in recent memory. We're down 156 points right now. 157 now. Look like we're tanking into the close, 158. So apparently some news, I haven't even looked, but everyone's saying it's some Trump tariff news spooked everybody. You know, it is October. October always is like, isn't it October like a really bad month? And it just needs some sort of catalyst to get the crash going. Maybe this is it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm a caveman. Anyway, so here's our trade for today. This is our sleepover trade. These trades perform probably best. This is the best case scenario for these sleepovers. This is the trade I've been doing for the last month. And that's in an up market. An up market is like not the ideal situation at all for these sleepover trades, but you can still manage them. I mean, you can still handle them. And even with the up move throughout September, I had a phenomenal month. Anyway, so here's today's trade. So, this trade, it didn't look like this. This risk graph now is a levitation. I converted it into a levitation trade. Right now, the worst case scenario is that we'll make $1,000, $1,035, no matter what. That's the worst case. Even if it goes all the way to zero, or if it lands all the way through here, or if we have some sort of miracle 8-minute turnaround run all the way up here, I can make up to $2,035. I'll take that. And a second ago, well, maybe 5 minutes ago, this is how the position looked. Worst case scenario of $1,075. But at the time, one of my tools that I used was showing that there was like a nice GEX level at, it's still showing that right now, actually. I don't know, though. We're down at 65, 69 now. Anyway, I was thinking there may be a chance that we pin at 6,600. So I just took a couple of bean burritos from this profit here that I've made today, this over $1,000 profit. And I bought 2 butterflies at the 6,600 level. See if I could get lucky, see if it would come up here and pin, or I could make up to 2,000 or 1,800 in this guy. But like I said, we're back down now. We're back down at 65.70 now with 7 minutes. I don't think we can do maybe. I don't know. I don't think we can do a 30-point run in 7 minutes, can we? But that's okay. Regardless, I'll make at least $1,035, which will take me and my wife out to a nice steak dinner tonight with a side of bean burritos, please. So let's just watch this trade go into the close. See if by some miracle, look at now we're down to 65, 66. We're down 170 points. Ugh. I feel bad for all my Iron Condor friends out there, or my put credit spread friends. Anyway, I'm going to turn on some music, see if we can get this SPX to turn around and come back here to 6,600. Again, I don't really care because I'm going to make $1,035, but maybe a little bit of icing on the cake. So let me go over to my music. This is my infamous copyright-free music. Let's see if I can find something. I'm gonna put in a keyword for this, for music that's like funky, funk. I should probably put funk, like funkadelic. Forever Funk. Oh, this says it's a new one called Forever Funk. Oh my God. Sorry about that, guys. Just blasted everybody out of the water. We're down 180 points right now. Let me turn this down. That's not quite what I was looking for. Oh, maybe this. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This one's called Get On Up. Maybe I'll turn this into my theme, my new theme song. Maybe I'll have a different theme song for my show every month. A new song come in. And this could be one of them. This has got a nice groove to it. Let's see if it helps the SPX get up to 6,600. It's at 60. Oh, wow. We're just going down, dude. This is a significant down move. I'm not opening any new trades today for Monday. I'm just gonna like take a nice vacation over the weekend, worry free of anything, and see what happens on Monday. Anyway, we're getting further and further away from my tent, so it looks like that dream has been dashed upon the rocks. But that's okay, because we're still making 1,035. Oh yeah, here he goes. He's talking now. We're taking over now. Get up on your feet. Ain't no time to think. We're moving with the beat. Come on, rise up high. Let the rhythm set you. Yeah, this music doesn't really seem to be helping, but I don't really blame the music. I think today's kind of extraordinary. We're down to 65.50, so we're down like 185 points. We have 3 minutes. You can see our red countdown clock is started and halfway through actually. So let me tell you about these sleepover trades. So this is a trade I just sort of started. I just started testing and developing like at the beginning of September, a month ago. A little bit over a month ago. What I was doing, I was looking for a trade I could put on at end of day and then take advantage of the overnight move, if there was one. So I'm just looking for like the closest thing I can get to a risk-free trade to put on at end of day and then go to sleep, dream and all that, and then wake up the next morning and get him to be in profit, which is difficult to do. And I've tried a lot of different methods. I've subscribed to tons of different services. I've tried tons of different things. But this trade, this guy taught it to me earlier this year, and I thought, hey, this could be perfect for that if I just kind of tweak it a little bit. So that's what I did, and it's become the sleepover trade, the overnighter, and it's great. It's a great trade. Some people may be a little bit turned off because some of the days, well, let's say like quite a few of the days out of the month. So like let's just say half of the days you'll make a pretty good profit. Let's say 1 to 2% in a day to 5% in a day. My goal is to make 25% a week, which I did in September. So let's say there's 20 trading days in a month. 10 of those days I expect to make between 1 and 5%. That's per day on the risk. And the other days, the way the trade plays out is realistic that you'll make either break even or a few bucks, or you'll lose a few bucks. The risk is minimal. So I think what could be a turnoff for a lot of people is that like for half of the trading days during that month, you're going to have what I call, oh, there's the bell. So we didn't make that. So we finished at 1,035, which is not too shabby on a day like today for an option seller. Come on, man.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. How many push-ups you want to do here, pal?
But anyway, real quick, back to my sleepover story. Where was I? But yeah, the reason why I think some people may not be that excited about it is because, like, let's say there's 20 trading days in a month. Let's say 10 of those days you're going to have what I call nothing trades. You're not going to make any money. You may lose a little bit, or you may make a little bit for like half of the trades. But the other half, you're going to have a decent return, and sometimes a really good return. Like sometimes like a return like today. This is a phenomenal return, $1,000. So anyway, that's the sleepover trade, and it's a cool trade that you can do overnight. Like the old ads say, make money in your sleep. So anyway, that's the sleepover trade. And if you'd like to learn more about that, how to trade it and manage it and all that good stuff, just reach out to me. The easiest way to get a hold of me is to just go over to my website and sign up for my free email newsletter. I'll put a link to my website in the description below. Just head on over there, sign up for my free email newsletter. And as soon as you do that, you'll get a welcome email sent back to you. Just reply to that welcome email and say, show me the sleepover trade. I'll get back to you and we'll go from there. All right. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.